In this video, I'm going to show you how to send messages on StrawPage. Now, the first thing you have to do is when you go to a specific StrawPage from somebody, you have to make sure they have this send anonymously or like the sending widget or gimmick on here, okay? So this is the AMA widget in case you want to add it yourself. It's just like a gimmick where you can basically send messages. So here you can just go ahead and click on where it says send me a message or whatever custom prompt they've set, and you can type in whatever message you want. So for example, I'm just going to type in, hey there, how are you, like this, okay? And I can just send anonymously, and it's going to get sent. It's going to say sent, and there we go. If you want to send another message, you can just refresh the website, and you'll be able to do this again. And then, of course, to be able for them to see this, they will have to go to their dashboard, and on their dashboard here under gimmicks, they will receive your message. So as you can see here, there we go. I've received this specific message 14 seconds ago. So that's how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.